Direct selling is a business model that allows individuals to sell products directly to consumers, usually outside of a traditional retail environment. The importance of direct selling business lies in several key aspects. 1. Entrepreneurial opportunities. Low barrier to entry. Direct selling provides an accessible way for people to start their own business with relatively low upfront costs. This makes it an attractive option for those looking to enter the business world without significant investment. Flexibility. Individuals can work at their own pace, setting their own hours and choosing the level of effort they want to put in. This flexibility is particularly appealing to those looking for work-life balance or supplementary income. Skill development. Participants in direct selling gain valuable skills in sales, marketing, communication, and business management, which can be beneficial in other career endeavors. 2. Personalized customer experience. Tailored service. Direct selling emphasizes building relationships with customers, allowing sellers to provide personalized recommendations and solutions based on individual needs and preferences. Product education. Direct sellers often have a deep understanding of the products they offer, enabling them to educate customers more effectively than traditional retail channels. This leads to higher customer satisfaction and loyalty. 3. Community building. Supportive networks. Direct selling often involves a network of sellers who support each other through training, motivation, and shared experiences. This sense of community can be empowering and motivating. Social impact. Direct selling companies often engage in community building activities, contributing to local economies and sometimes supporting charitable causes. 4. Global reach. Cross-border opportunities. Direct selling can operate across borders, allowing sellers to reach customers in different countries and regions. This global reach can significantly expand market potential. Cultural adaptability. Direct selling models can be adapted to various cultural contexts, making them versatile and effective in diverse markets. 5. Innovation and product diversity. Variety of products. Direct selling companies often offer a wide range of products, from health and wellness to beauty, household goods, and more. This diversity allows sellers to cater to different customer needs. Innovation. Direct selling companies frequently introduce
Consumer
new
trust and
products and
loyalty.
innovations, which can keep the market dynamic and provide ongoing opportunities for sellers. 6. Economic impact. Job creation. Direct selling creates opportunities
In
for millions
conclusion,
of people worldwide, contributing to employment and economic growth. Economic empowerment. By enabling individuals to earn income independently, direct selling empowers people economically, particularly in areas with limited traditional employment opportunities. 7. Consumer trust and loyalty. Trust-based sales. Direct selling often